Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Happy Hand and Tails, and this is our brand new series of one word each day where we will learn new vocabulary words daily to make our English more stylish and professional. So let's start with today's word. Word of the day is vibrant. V-I-B-R-A-N-T. Vibrant. The meaning of this word is full of life, energy and colors. And you can use this word for any place, a person or anything that you think is vibrant. The pronunciation of this word is vibrant. Say with me again. Vibrant. For example, she has a vibrant personality. I love vibrant colors. Or you can say, the evening looks vibrant in the festival season. And the word type is adjective because it is giving the explanation of the noun. So it is an adjective. Now it's your turn. Just comment below a thing around you who you think is vibrant. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.